Unplug this thing on, make the shit jump, get the boot filling up the air pressure. That's around, but yes sir, yes sir. she goes. Snotty Nose. We calling them motherfucking hoe Snotty Nose. Look how wet that paint came out, baby. Project here, man. We got one little run in the whole thing. We got a run right here. Little run on the, you can see it, but we're gonna sand that down. We're gonna take care of that today. That's the only thing that we got to do. I'll figure that out. Finish it up. But overall, man, the project came out superbly. Especially the way Danny got that wet, that clear on them, man. Got that thing wetted up. You see it? New name for the hoe. Snotty Nose. Got Snotty Nose. Yes, sir. Snotty Nose is in effect, baby. Bought a good mid-grade clip, you know what I'm saying? We ain't go out trying to make it like no candy. Cause we was just building this for an everyday driver. 1999, I bought it back in 2006. I ain't have but 66,000 miles on it when I bought it. I done had the whole time. I got right at 185,000 on it now. This motherfucker crank up like a goddamn black, boy. This boy like it's still 99 on that thing. Turnkey, ready. AC blowing like a deep freezer. Motherfucker here, boy. Hey, we ready, man. She ready. Came out, man. I'm super happy with this. Gonna throw a pair of shoes on them. Gonna put some probably 20 inches. Ain't going nothing big. Still want to keep some rubber on it. I don't want to do nothing make it. I'm trying to keep the gas mileage on this bad boy exactly the way it is, cause y'all know the big truck suck gas like a motherfucker. Then I got the 6.2 in there and it's on there premium. I need to get me an unleaded roller right here, just like I got. Throw the goddamn buffer on it. Polish this bitch out. Okay, now it is. We just finished washing those Snotty Nose down. We got these fast new goddamn side mirrors just in. Yes, sir. These Brock's aftermarket. Brand new side mirrors off here. Gonna lay these bad boys in. Going in with some brand new ones. Man, look at that goddamn paint on that thing, man. Yes, sir. Got a little touch-up spots to do on this back door. But for the most part, that be retarded wet. Stupid wet. Goddamn motherfucker called Snotty Nose, baby. Goddamn Snotty Nose. Yes, sir. Well, hey, I'm finna about to put these started on. Back in just a minute. Let y'all see results from that. Okay, we're gonna put those side view mirrors in now. I got the brand new ones on. Some of the extra tape off. Everything looking good. Y'all see those? Aftermarket new pieces came in. Got a couple other things we waiting on. We got to place in the headlights. Waiting on them bad boys to come in. Probably gonna put a new grill on too. I'm gonna order that. All that ordered off Amazon. Amazon shipping slow right now since the COVID-19. Get these goddamn rear view mirrors changed out too. I might go on ahead and change this piece out too up here. Brake light, tail brake light up there. That should look now with the pieces back in. Put this bitch out in the sun, but it's so wet. Goddamn Snotty Nose is back, baby. Yes, sir. YouTube, just letting y'all see what we got going on right here. Shining all up on the top. Made it happen. For a first time doer. Did a pretty damn good ass job, I say. Finna do trimming up now. Re-blacking out all these door handles. Tape it up, get those blacked out. Gonna probably black out these damn wiper arms and shit. We're gonna buy new ones. My homeboy told me you don't need to buy no new ones. Leave this shit on there, man. Just put fresh paint on. We're gonna freshen them up. Take the bitch to the audio stereo store tomorrow and get it installed on that and get the alarm system thrown in. That bitch gonna be goddamn electric start, everything on the motherfucking 99 Tahoe, man. And that bitch gonna work from my cell phone too. Had that bitch jumping off. Gonna be the gym. You know we Chevy boy. Got old Chevy. Ain't gonna be that Chevy. This Chevy. And then we're starting a new project. But I'm not gonna tell y'all about the new project just yet. We got a new project though we about to start. Calling in just to let you know we're doing the LS swap on it right now. The body might not be Chevy, but that motor gonna be a Chevy. I'll let all y'all know about that in just a minute. It's about to come together. Peace.